Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on why it's important to have hobbies, goals, and how being on track with those hobbies and goals builds more confidence so that you can show up on dates and be confident in yourself and leave dates being confident with yourself. Deal with rejection, be confident about it, and move forward and get out of that codependent energy. So, whenever you are working on something or you have something to talk about, whether it's reading a book challenge or working on winning the marathon or you're working towards a financial goal, it always sets like you have a deep set like goal that you have in mind that you know that you're confidently working towards. And this creates this mindset that you don't really need to impress anyone because you already know that you're a winner. You already know that you're an impressive person. So you don't have to go out of your way to work extra hard to make them like you. So I think this is very, very important because it didn't matter how many like dates I went on or where I was financially, like with my jobs and everything. I always had goals in mind, whether it was savings goals, trying to move, trying to get that Mustang I was talking about in one of my previous videos. If you check that out on how I learned how to save and invest, I just always had a goal in mind. So with that goal that I had in mind that I was constantly working on or getting a higher position, with that goal in mind, I always showed up with my best attitude because I already knew, look, I'm a winner. So it's like either you could get with it or lose out. And I mean, it still reigns true. So I mean, it's nothing I can, it's not like I was lying. So yeah. I think it's very important to set goals, and we're past halfway through the year. It's time for you guys to start thinking about 2020 and what you're trying to accomplish in the new year, and start making those baby steps now. When I say baby steps, I actually mean big steps. Start writing these notes down. Start setting up a separate account for the stuff that you need to take care of, depositing into that account, making sure that you're staying on track with those goals, doing the research that you need to do on whatever goal that you're supposed to be doing. Don't ask me in the comments about how to accomplish your goal, okay? You need to do the research. You need to get on Google and just start Googling whatever you are trying to do and get on it right now, because January is too late. January 2020 is too late. December 2020 is too late. November 2020 is too late for your 2020 goals. Get started on it today, okay? Do what you have to do today so that you can win next year. And that's just what I wanted to get you guys started on. So you can comment, like, share, and subscribe. Or you can hit me up on Actual Black Mermaid on Instagram, or Imani_Yvonne2 on Twitter. And I will be talking to you guys later. Love you guys.